Hello there, and welcome to my workshop. Today we're going to be talking about 3D printers. 3D printers have become a common possession for hobbyists, cosplayers, and builders the world round. The ability to make solid objects out of just a simple spool of cable is honestly such a futuristic advancement in small-scale and large-scale manufacturing. And with 3D printing making its way into the common household, I thought it would be a good idea to share what I know about 3D printing, some tips and tricks, and all the other sorts of goody stuff you'd hope to find out about it. And before we can really jump into anything, we need to understand the different types of 3D printing. There's stereolithographic, digital light processing, fused deposit modeling, selective laser sintering, selective laser melting, electronic beam melting, laminated object manufacturing, binder jetting, and material jetting. While that's a lot of options, the most common one is the fused model depositing, or FDM for short. It's the type of printer I have, and it's the type of printer most people will start out with at home. The printer I have is called a Creality Ender 3. This is a very common type of printer because it's very simple to set up and maintain, and it's also very compact, easy to carry, and easy to pick up with one-handed move. The first step to ensuring you get good 3D prints is making sure that the printer is built right. And when I say built right, I mean both how the manual tells you to put it together, as well as a little bit of fine-tuning and adjustments to make sure the print comes out just fine. This means making sure that the bed is level, the motion belts are nice and tight, the hot end won't clog up, and the extruder won't break on you. Now that seems like a lot, but you'll really want to understand the parts of the 3D printer before you start putting it together. And just like with the different types of 3D printers, FDM printers come in different shapes and sizes as well. However, all FDM printers have a couple common components that you'll want to know about. The first part you'll need to know is the print bed. It's this large flat surface here, and it's actually where the print is going to be molded onto. The next piece is the extruder, and it's this clamp part back here, and what it does is it actually takes the filament off of the spool and feeds it in through to the hot end. The hot end is the part of the printer that actually moves and lays down the hot filament to create the different layers and build up on the 3D object. The part that carries the filament between the extruder and the hot end is called the Bowden tube. It seems like a minor part, but it's a part that will give you a heap load of trouble if it's not put together or if it fails. So now that you know the basic parts to a 3D printer, hopefully you've got a good step forward into beginning your journey into 3D printing. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and drop a comment below, and also get subscribed to see more videos. Let me know what you think. I really am interested to hear. Thank you.